If you want to resize the document, if you have Canva Pro, you can just go to Magic Switch here and choose a resize option or custom size here. If you don't, what you can do is click on File, create a new design, and it's going to open up a new design. We're going to click Custom Size. The current design is 8.5 by 11 inches, so let's do 6 by 6. As you can see, it opens up a blank design here for us. So what we can do is go back to this page, and I want the background and the text. So I'm just going to click here, and on my keyboard, I'm going to do Command A because I have a MacBook. And if you have Windows, you can just do Control A, and it highlights everything. Then I'm going to click Command C on my keyboard or Control C, which copies everything here. Moving that onto the new size, you're going to click Command V or Control V to let everything go. Now, right now, everything is connected, so you can resize it all together like this if you want to. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And then to move individual elements, just click so that you can use them separately. So here I'll be able to move this around anywhere that I want and change that however I need.